Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about my Robinhood portfolio. Currently I'm at $226,946. Cash position of $8,916. I also have another $30,000 in a high yield savings account so that I can easily deploy into the market when there are opportunities to buy. So most of my portfolio is in US equities, and the market has been rallying since the end of last year, which makes me a bit more cautious considering optimism is extremely high at the moment. Scrolling down a bit, first position is VOO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. This is my largest position. Makes up 15.39% of portfolio, or $34,924. I'm up 23.61%. Next is VGT, Vanguard Information Technology ETF. This is a really good exposure to the technology sector, and it's a fairly low expense ratio. Makes up 7.17% of portfolio, or $16,281. I'm up 77.68%. Next is Schwab US Large Cap ETF. This is very similar to VOO. Makes up 5.53% of portfolio, or $12,560. Up 31.9%. iShares Core S&P 500 ETF. This is very similar to the Schwab Large Cap ETF as well as Vanguard ETF. Makes up 1.28% of portfolio, or $2,901. I'm up 50% on this position. Next is Spider S&P 500 ETF, very similar to VOO and Schwab ETF. Makes up 1.13% of portfolio, or $2,570. Up 51.29%. Next is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. This is my largest stock position. Makes up 6.65% of portfolio, or $15,089. Up 73.81%. Next is Alibaba, ticker symbol BABA. This is my exposure to the Asia Pacific region. Makes up 5.43% of portfolio, or $12,325. Currently up 26.55%. Microsoft, this is 5% of portfolio, or $11,346. Up 78.87%. Next is Visa. Makes up 4.72% of portfolio, or $10,716. Up 74.36%. Next is Nvidia. I think it's a good long-term play. Makes up 3.8% of portfolio, or $8,622. Up 27.96%. Next is Alphabet. This is the Class A shares with voting rights. Makes up 1.79% of my portfolio, or $4,051. Up 36.14%. Alphabet Class C shares. Makes up 1.78% of portfolio, or $4,048. Up 35.38%. So overall, Alphabet position is about $8,100. Next is Johnson & Johnson. Very good dividend play. Makes up 3.54% of portfolio, or $8,035. Up 13.05%. Next is Amazon, which makes up 3.15% of portfolio, or $7,139. This position I'm up 50.36%. Next is Tencent, another Asia Pacific play. Makes up 2.82% of portfolio, or $6,403. Up 13.95%. Next is McDonald's, which makes up 2.61% of portfolio, or $5,914. I'm up 22.64%. Boeing, which makes up 2.46% of portfolio, or $5,577. Up 10.16%. I know there's been some recent news around Boeing with their 737 MAX jetliner, but I plan to continue holding this for the long term, and I think that the recent news is just a short-term hurdle that they need to get over, but once they get over that, then it'll continue to perform. Next is United Health, makes up 2.32% portfolio or $5,266, up 72.16%. Home Depot makes up 1.75% portfolio or $3,981, up 45.81%. Next is AT&T, makes up 1.73% portfolio or $3,915, up 8.18%. Berkshire Hathaway makes up 1.7% portfolio or $3,847, up 24.13%. Next is Costco, which makes up 1.69% portfolio or $3,835, up 22.47%. Facebook makes up 1.64% portfolio or $3,711, up 32.97%. 3M, this position I'm actually down, makes up 1.39% portfolio or $3,154, down 12.97%. I think it's a good long-term hold, considering it's a dividend aristocrat, and I think in the short term it'll underperform just because of its international exposure. But once we get over all the trade talks and geopolitical tensions, then I think this will continue to perform. Next is PepsiCo, makes up 1.22% portfolio or $27.58 equity value, up 15.49%. PayPal makes up 1.1% portfolio or $2,501, up 43.74%. NextEra Energy makes up 0.96% portfolio or $2,184, up 38.47%. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company makes up 0.64% portfolio or $1,450, up 33.14%. Activision Blizzard. So next couple of positions I'm actually down, but these are relatively small positions, so I'm okay with holding these long term. Makes up 0.63% portfolio or $1,423, down 9.84%. Next is Baidu, another Asia Pacific play. Makes up 0.62% portfolio or $1,402, down 30.85%. Baozun, which is the Shopify of China, makes up 0.55% portfolio or $1,247, down 10.7%. NetEase makes up 0.27% portfolio or $610, down 12.47%. Constellation Brands makes up 0.25% portfolio or $566. I'm down 14.65%. Ichiyi makes up 0.19% portfolio or $420 equity value, down 30.67%. Next couple ones are ETFs. This one's Vanguard Consumer Discretionary ETF, 0.91% portfolio or $2,069, up 52.2%. Vanguard Healthcare ETF makes up 0.76% of portfolio or $1,727, up 48.29%. Vanguard Megacap Value ETF makes up 0.85% portfolio or $1,929, up 31.66%. So that's all my Robinhood portfolio. I plan to continue holding these positions, these stocks and ETFs, and buying more stocks, preferably a good balance between dividend paying stocks and growth stocks. And I also plan to continue increasing my cash position, currently at $8,916 in my Robinhood account and $30,000 in a high yield savings account. But I also want to get this to at least $40,000 so I can easily buy when there's opportunities to buy. That's all for this video. What's in your portfolio? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or a free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.